Hello, good morning. Today's lesson will be on Cronbach's alpha analysis in SPSS and its interpretation. Cronbach's alpha is used for testing internal consistency reliability of a questionnaire. This coefficient is used to test internal consistency between items or questions in a questionnaire, applied not to one item but to groups of items or questions. In this session, the term item is used to denote questions because in SPSS we are selecting items. That means we are selecting each questions in the analysis. Okay, applied not to one item but to groups of items or questions in a questionnaire that are intended to measure different aspects of the same concept. Cronbach's coefficient alpha measures internal consistency reliability among a group of items combined to form a single scale or a single quality. It is a reflection of how well the different questions or different items complement each other in their measurement of different aspects of the same quality. It is interpreted like a correlation coefficient. So, if Cronbach alpha value is more than 0.7, it is considered as good. Because in correlation coefficient also more than 0.7 is considered as good. It is most commonly used when you have multiple questions or multiple liked questions in a survey or questionnaire that form a scale or subscale and you wish to determine if this scale is reliable. Okay, I will give you an example. One questionnaire may have 21 questions. 7 questions may be measuring depression. 7 questions may be measuring anxiety. And 7 questions may be measuring stress. So, if you are doing Cronbach alpha analysis, you will take only those 7 questions which measure a quality. You select only those 7 questions which measure depression. And you check if the internal consistency between those 7 questions are good or not. Second time, you will take 7 questions which measure anxiety and do internal consistency analysis using Cronbach alpha. Third time, you have to choose 7 questions which measure stress and do Cronbach alpha analysis. Please don't combine the questions which is used for different quality. Then you may not get a correct Cronbach alpha value. If your questions reflect different underlying personal qualities or other dimensions, for example, some questions measure employee motivation, some questions measure employee commitment, Cronbach alpha will not be able to distinguish between these. So, choose only those questions which measure a specific quality. Example, if 5 questions measure patient's opinion about doctor, so choose those 5 questions only when you are doing Cronbach alpha analysis on patient's opinion on doctor. Please choose only those 5 questions. Okay, now we can see the steps to be used in SPSS software. First you have to click Analyze, then Scale, then you choose Reliability Analysis. Okay, so when you open SPSS, okay, you have to click on Analyze, then click on Scale, then choose Reliability Analysis because we are doing internal consistency reliability. That's why we are choosing Reliability Analysis. Then you have to choose the questions. Choose the questions or items which are intended to measure a specific domain or quality. So please think, in this questionnaire, 6 questions are there and all the 6 questions measure one specific quality, depression. So I am choosing all the 6 questions. If 6 questions measure a specific quality depression, so choose all 6 questions. Then make sure that your model is alpha. You have to make sure that your model is alpha. Then you have to click on statistics button. Then you have to choose many things in the statistics box. Please choose descriptives for item, scale, and scale if item deleted. Item is for whichever questions. It will show descriptive statistics for questions. That's why we are choosing item. Descriptive statistics for scale. When you choose, it will show scale. What is a scale here? You know, it is a Cronbach alpha value. Then when you choose scale if item deleted, they will show if each of the question deleted, how the Cronbach alpha value will change. Okay, so you have to choose item for questions, scale for Cronbach alpha value, scale if item deleted. These are descriptives. Then you need to choose inter-item correlations. Okay, these are the main things you have to choose here. Then click continue, then click OK. So when you click OK, results appear in output viewer of SPSS. So it shows Cronbach's alpha value. Okay, that is the scale. Cronbach alpha value here is 0.767. That shows that there is good internal consistency between these 6 questions. Then descriptive statistics for questions. For each question, what is a mean score and standard deviation it is showing. Okay, so that's a descriptive. Then you have to look at the table as a guide. This table is taken from the Handbook of Psychological Testing. Okay, so in that Cronbach alpha value, if it is more than 0.9, internal consistency is excellent. If Cronbach's alpha value is between 0.7 and 0.9, internal consistency is considered good. If it is between 0.6 and 0.7, it is acceptable. But if it is less than 0.6, it is considered as poor. And if it is less than 0.5, it is considered unacceptable. So please keep in mind. Now the next result table we have to check. It shows Cronbach's alpha if item deleted. If each of the question deleted, what will be the Cronbach alpha? If you delete question number 1, Cronbach alpha will become 0.784. If you delete question number 2, Cronbach alpha will come down to 0.726. So you can decide which question can be deleted, which question cannot be deleted. You can decide by looking at this. Okay. Look at Cronbach's alpha if item deleted. If Cronbach's alpha value increases, if an item is deleted, that means question is not good. You may delete that item to increase Cronbach alpha. Okay, I will explain once more. If Cronbach's alpha value increases, if an item is deleted, that means question is not having good internal consistency. So you can delete it. So in this table, if question number 1 is deleted, Cronbach alpha improves from 0.767 to 0.784. Understood? So question number 1 can be deleted if needed. Okay. Look at Cronbach alpha if item deleted. If Cronbach alpha value decreases, if an item is deleted, that means question is a good question. You keep that item or question to increase Cronbach alpha. Okay. So you know In this, please look at question number 5. Question number 5. If we delete question number 5, Cronbach alpha reduces to 0.707. Earlier it was 0.767. If you delete question number 5, it will become 0.707. So don't delete question number 5. Okay, question number 5 is a good question. If internal consistency reliability is low, you can add more items. Okay, if internal consistency reliability or Cronbach alpha value is less than 0.7, then you can add more items or re-examine existing item. You can scrutinize the existing question to make it more clear. Okay, or if you can improve internal consistency between questions by editing the questions. Okay, this is the main concept of Cronbach alpha testing and how it is done in SPSS. Thank you.